क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स मैं RS प्रसाद सर टुडे I will tell you exercise 3 that is the circle and tangent and chapter 12. So let us start what will be your exercise. So this is your circle and it is the center O and you can say it is the PAB. So this angle is the on circumference and this is on the center. So their relationship is if it is your x, so it will be 2x. Just double of the circumference angle. So center पे जो एंगल बनता है उसका जस्ट हाफ जो है सर्कमफेरेंस पे या इसका वाइस वर्सा बोल दीजिए जो सर्कमफेरेंस पे एंगल बनता है उसका जस्ट डबल सेंटर पे बनता है। अब यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पर ये दोनों एंगल ऑफ सेम सेगमेंट है तो दोनों के दोनों इक्वल होंगे। अगर ये हमारे पास x डिग्री है तो ये वाला भी x डिग्री होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ सेंटर से जब भी लेंगे हम ये जो सेंटर है सेंटर से लेंगे तो सेंटर पे क्या होगा, ये दोनों एंगल जो है जस्ट डबल होंगे, यानी ये एंगल 2x के इक्वल हो जाएगा। यहां से x लेंगे तो यहाँ 2x हो जाएगा, यहां से भी x लेंगे तो भी 2x हो जाएगा, तो ये दोनों ही इक्वल हो जाते हैं। तो एंगल ऑफ सेम सेगमेंट्स बोथ आर इक्वल ऑलवेज। So let us do in your exercise. So that is the figure you can see. Find the value of x. How can find the value of x? As you know, this one is the double. So 2x is equal to 120. Now, so x will be equal to 120 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 6 ja. So x will be equal to 6 degrees. So that is your answer. That is the figure 51. Now come to the figure 52. You can apply the same thing. So it is the total angle is the 100. So you can do this like this. So what will be happen? 2x will be equal to this one 80 plus 20. The whole angle is 80 and plus 20. You can see here it is 80 and 120 here. So 2x will be equal to 80 and 20, that is the 100 degree. So x will be equal to 100 degree divided by 2, 2 5 ja 10. So x will be equal to 50 degree. So that one is your answer. Now come to the 53 figure. This figure, you have to see this angle is, the total angle is, suppose it is your y. So total angle is 360. So you can say y plus 240 degree will be equal to 360 degree. So y will be equal to 360 degree minus 240 degree. That means it will be 120 degree. As you know, relationship between x and y. So y is always 2 of x. So x is equal to 1 by 2y. Put the value of y. Y is 1 by 2. Y is, as you know, 120 degrees. So we can cut it. It will be 60 degrees. So x is equal to 60 degrees. That one is your answer. Now come to the last figure, that is the 54 figure. So this angle, it is a semicircle, and in semicircle this angle is always remember 90 degree. So in triangle ABC. So you can write here in triangle ABC. What will be happen? So angle 50 degree plus angle of 90 degree plus this is the angle x. It will be total angle is 180 degrees. So it is the 90 and 50, that is the 140. 140 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 minus 140 degree. So x will be equal to 40 degree. That one is your answer. Now come to the next one, that is the figure 56. Now how can find the angle of the same segment, both are equal. So always remember x and 40 both are equal. So x will be equal to 40 degree. But in case of y and x, there is a relationship. Y is equal to 2x. Put the value of x. So 2 into 40 degrees. So it becomes 80 degrees. So y will be 80 degree and that one is your answer. Now come to this one. As you know, सेंटर पर जो एंगल बनता है वो हमेशा जो है सर्कमफेरेंस का डबल होता है. सो एज यू नो 2x will be equal to 60 degree. So x will be equal to 60 degree divided by 2, 2 3 ja 60. So x will be 30 degree. Now you can see this is the x and y. X and y is the same segment angle. So you can say y is equal to x. So y will be equal to 30 degree because x is equal to 30 degree. So that one is your answer. So you have to write in your copy also. Now come to the exercise. So exercise is 3. Now in figure, this is the figure here. O is the center and the PQ is the chord. Angle of PRQ is equal to 50 degree. Find the angle of OPQ. OPQ, where is the angle of OPQ? This angle. Let this is your X. So OQ P is also X angle. Now you can find this angle. It is Z. So relation between Z and this circumference पे जो एंगल बना है इसका जस्ट डबल जो है सेंटर पे बनता है. That means Z will be equal to 2 into 50 degree. So Z is equal to 100 degree. So that one. Now in triangle OPQ, there is the X. How many angles? X plus Z is equal to 180 degree. But it is 2X. And the Z is equal to 180 degree. So Z, put the value of Z. Z is 100 degree. So 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2X will be equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So we get only 80 degree. So X will be equal to 80 degree divided by 2. 2 4 ja 80. So you can write X will be equal to 40 degree. So angle of OPQ will be equal to 40 degrees. So that one is your answer. Now come to the second question of this one. Angle of AOB is given. Angle of AOB. So you can write here angle of AOB, that is the 50 degree. Now find the angle of PQB. Where is PQB? PQB is given as 75 degrees. So you can write here PQB is equal to 75 degree. Find the value of PBO. PBO, where is the PBO? It is the PBO, this angle. So suppose this angle will be your X. Let this angle be X. So center पे जो एंगल बनता है वो circumference का डबल होता है. तो always remember. So 2X is equal to which one? It is the 50. So you have to write center पे जो बना है 50 डिग्री का बना हुआ है और ये circumference पे बना है. So X will be equal to 50 divided by 2. So 25 ja. So X will be equal to 25 degree. Now in triangle, suppose this angle is Z or Y, you can say. In triangle, which one? In triangle of OPB, what will be happen? X plus Z plus 75 is equal to 180 degree. So put the value of X, it is 25 plus Z plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. So Z plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. So Z will be equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So Z is equal to 100 degree and that one is your answer. So you can write the angle, which one? Angle of PBO. PBO is Z. So you can say it is the 100 degree. So that one is your answer. Now come to the next third question. O is the center of circle. Find the value of X. Here is the X. So now it is the Y. You can write this one angle is Y. So ये circumference पे बन रहा है एंगल और ये सेंटर पे बन रहा है. तो circumference का just double of circumference, that is the 2Y is equal to center पे कितना बनना? 70 degree का. So you can write here Y will be equal to 70 divided by 2. So that is the 35 degree. So Y will be equal to 35 degree. Now in triangle, which one? OBC. OB is equal to OC. That means angle X is equal to Y. So you can write here. So X, Y is 35 degrees. So that is the value of X and it is your answer. Now come to the fourth question. O is the center of the circle. Find the value of X. X find करना है हमें. So how can find the? Suppose this one angle is Z. Or Y you can say. So center पे जो एंगल बाई लीनियर पेयर ले रहे हैं हम पहले. बाई लीनियर पेयर. एंगल सम 180 डिग्री हो जाएगा z और प्लस 130 इज इक्वल टू 180. So z is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So z will be equal to 50 degree. As you know, सेंटर पे जो एंगल बनता है वो सर्कमफेरेंस का डबल होता है. So double of x is equal to z. Put the value of z. So 2x equal to 50 degree. So x equal to 50 degree divided by 2 to 25 ja. So x will be equal to 25 degree and that is your answer. So you can do very well. Now come to the question number 5. O is the center of the circle, then find the value of x. In this question, you can find the value of x. First of all, angle of same segment. So that one is the angle y. Let us, it is y. So angle of same segment, you can see here. Angle of same segment is always equal. So y is equal to 45 degrees. So these angles are angle of same segment. Now in triangle ABC, angle sum is 180 degree. So we can write here angle x plus angle y plus 60 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So put the value of y. So x plus y is 45 plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x plus it is 105 is equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 degree minus 105. So what will be happen? 10 minus 5, that is the 5, and here is the 7 as it is, and here is 1 minus 1 0. So that one is your answer. So you can write very well. Now come to the next question. 6th question, find the value of ABC. That means ABC, this angle. So you can let that one the x. And here is the 120. So suppose this angle is z. So z and 120, this is the complete angle is 370. So you can write complete angle is equal to 360 degrees. So you can write here z plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. So z will be equal to 360 minus 120 degree. So z is 240 degree. Now relationship between x and z. So double of x is equal to z. So double of x. So x will be equal to 1 by 2 of z. So put the value of z. So 1 by 2, z is 240. So now 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So x will be equal to 120 degree and that one is your answer. Now come to the next question, that is the 7th question. Find the value of x. In the given figure, prove that AD parallel to BC. Now how can prove the AD is parallel to BC? AD is here and BC is here. Angle of same segment is always equal to, so suppose this angle is y. So this is 50. As you know, angle of which one? CBD is equal to 50 degree. So angle y is equal to angle of which one? CBD. Angle of same segment. You can write angle of same segment is always equal. Now here y is equal to how much? It is 50 degree. But suppose it is your z angle. So as you know, in triangle, which one? OAD. Always remember OD is equal to OAY, radius of same circle. Radius of same circle. That means angle y is equal to z. So y is equal to z, or you can say z is equal to y. So z is equal to y is given as 50 degree. So here is, you can say the angle, this angle ADB is equal to 50 degree, and angle of and CBD is given as 50 degree. Both are equal, so you can say it's your equation first and it is second. By equation first and second, angle of ADB is equal to angle of CBD, but these angles are alternate. Alternate interior angle. That's why DA या AD is parallel to BC. Hence proved. Now come to the 8th question. In figure, O is the center, OD, AB. If OD is equal to 5 centimeter, OD is 5. That one is the 5 centimeter. Find the value of AC. As you know, it is parallel given. OD is parallel to OD is perpendicular on AD. OD is perpendicular on AD. AB. As you know, the BC is a diameter of circle. So it is the semicircle, so that angle is 90 degrees. So you can say angle of CAB will be equal to 90 degree, and the CAB and the O angle of ODB is also 90 degree. That means CA parallel to OD. But O is the midpoint of BC. So by midpoint theorem, what will be theorem? OD is parallel to CA and OD is equal to half of CA. OD is given as 5 centimeters, so you have to write OD is equal to 5 centimeters. So you can put, so CA is equal to double of OD. So put the value 2 into 5, that is the 10 centimeters. So that one is your answer. ये एक्सरसाइज बच्चों यहीं समाप्त हो रही है. नीचे लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, आपको जो है इसको दबाकर शेयर करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है, आपको शेयर करना है और कम से कम एक लाइक तो बनता ही है, इसलिए मेरे वीडियो को लाइक भी करेंगे. मिलता हूं मैं नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में. दैट एक्सरसाइज इज 4. सो तब तक के लिए थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. वॉच माय वीडियो.